Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I have an awesome Christmas project. I'm showing you a snowman Christmas ornament, all DIY, all by yourself. So this is what it looks like, and if you'd like to do this as well, stay tuned. So first of all, you're gonna need your 3.5mm needle, then you're gonna need some white wool. Afterwards, some golden brownish one and some red one as well. So first off, let's get started by doing a loop. Pull a bit, then put it around your needle like this. And start your chains. I'll do 6. Connect the first and last one with a slip stitch. And here is our base out of 6 stitches. So now we are gonna double every stitch. So we're doing 2 singles into each of the chains. And now we will add into every second existing stitch. So 1 single into one stitch and 2 singles into the next one, and then just keep repeating. And now we're adding in every third stitch. And now you should have 24 stitches, and we are now adding into every 4th stitch in order to get a total of 30 stitches in the next round, and then we will do 1 more row with an addition in every 5th stitch in order to get 36 stitches total. Okay, so now we can do 1 regular round without additions. Now we're doing reductions, so I'll reduce every 5th stitch, so do it together with the following one. That way we get 30 stitches in the next row or round. There we go. So continue like this until you get all the way to the beginning, and then we will do 1 more row without any reductions. So I'll do this really quick and then I'll be right back. So now we'll reduce in every 4th stitch in order to get to 24 stitches in the row. So now we're doing reductions in every 3rd row, and we're gonna get 18 stitches as a result. And then when we do that, we're gonna continue with those 18. So you guys, here is our head now, so the head of the snowman, and now this means we need to do the body, so we're gonna start doing additions again, And this time I'm gonna do additions in every third stitch of the row. So we'll have 24 stitches, and then I'll do an addition in every fourth stitch in the next row, so we get 30 stitches. Then in every fifth stitch, and then we'll get 36 stitches as a result. And then we'll also add in every sixth stitch, and I'll be back when I do that. Okay, so here are all of the added stitches and what I have for now. So now I'll do 3 rows without any additions, so just 1 single crochet per each existing single crochet of the last row. Okay, now pull the thread a little bit longer and leave it as it is. So we're gonna do our face of the snowman now. So I'm connecting the nose that I did here. I can post in the description how I did that if you'd like, and I'll also do the eyes. Okay, so now that we did this, we can continue, and I'm here at my 42 stitches total. So this is what I have after the 3 rows without additions. And then I'll reduce in every 6th stitch in order to get 36 stitches total, and I'll do 1 more row without any changes. And now we're reducing in every 5th stitch. So now we're reducing in every 4th stitch in order to get 24 stitches total. Then I'll again do a reduction in every 3rd stitch in order to get to 18 stitches, and then I'll make a short break to stuff our snowman. Okay, let's stuff our snowman now. Okay, when you're done with this, we can continue with our reductions to close it up. Okay, so now we need to reduce in every 2nd stitch. So we'll get 12 stitches left, and then we'll also reduce in every 1st stitch, and then we'll get the 6 stitches that we had as a base. So now that we close this up, we can cut the end thread off, and we can weave it in later as well. First pull it out and pull a bit tighter so that it stays that way. So here I am with my snowman, and you can see the little decorations that I did, the hat and the little scarf that I have here. I think it looks pretty cute, so the rim fits perfectly around the eyes, looks good. You can of course make it the way you like it to be. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, post any comments if you'd like, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day. Bye!